In this video, I'll tell you how to disable the Windows key while gaming so you don't accidentally get kicked out of your game. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. Start by opening your browser and searching for Microsoft PowerToys. Download it from the Microsoft Store, install it, and then launch PowerToys settings. Once the program is open, expand the menu on the left side and go to Input and Output. From there, open Keyboard Manager and make sure Keyboard Manager is enabled. Scroll down and click Remap a key, then select Add Key Remapping. Click Select, press the Windows key on your keyboard and confirm your choice. On the right side, open the drop-down menu and choose Disable. Click OK. Then confirm by clicking Continue anyway if PowerToys asks for confirmation. From that point on, pressing the Windows key won't do anything, which can help prevent accidental interruptions while gaming. If you ever want the key back, simply return to Keyboard Manager and remove the remapping. It's a quick fix, but it can save you from a lot of annoying moments during intense gaming sessions. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.